above my head, a quiet breeze, the words unsaid. I walk alone, but not afraid. The stars align in silver shade. Let go. Breathe in. Breathe in. Drift like light across the sea. Weightless thoughts surrounding me. Time dissolves, I close my eyes. Feel the world in soft sunrise. In this light, don't hate me tonight. My steps dissolve in golden haze. I trust the calm of quiet days. Your memory sings a soft reprise in drifting winds and midnight skies. I hear you in your lips, so close again. The stars align in golden shade. Your melody begins to fade. I walk alone, but still I hear the echo of you drawing near. Let go. Breathe in. Breathe in. We're not lost, we're just in bloom, spinning slow beneath the moon. In every hush, a secret sound of everything we never found. Just like light beyond the sea, waves of thought envelop me. Time stands still behind my eyes, bathed in warmth of soft sunrise. Sky above my head, a quiet breeze, the words unsaid. I walk alone, but not afraid. Breathe in tonight.